In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe with USD currency in just 5 minutes. If you're a business owner or a freelancer who needs to generate invoices quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by visiting Stripe's website. So, open your browser and head over to stripe.com. Once you're on their homepage, look at the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. Type in your email address and password to access your Stripe account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by following their straightforward sign up process, but for today we're assuming you're already registered. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button again, and you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. From here, locate the Home button. It's usually near the top or on the sidebar, helping you navigate to the home page of your dashboard. With access to your homepage, the next step is to find Billing on the menu. Click on Billing and you'll notice a few more options appear. Among these options, select Invoice. This section is where you'll be creating and managing all your invoices. On the invoice page, you're looking for a button that says Create Invoice. Click on that to start a new invoice. Now that you're on the invoice creation page, you need to add a customer. If your customer is already in your database, simply search and select them. If not, you can add a new customer by providing the necessary details like name and email. It's crucial to ensure the currency is set to US dollars. Look for the currency option, usually displayed prominently. Double check that it's showing USD. This ensures that your invoice reflects the correct currency for your transactions. Next, it's time to add the items you want to bill your customer for. Enter each item or service along with the corresponding amount. Be clear and precise with your descriptions and prices so your customer knows exactly what they're being billed for. Once you've added all the items, review your invoice for accuracy. Finally, after confirming all the details, click on the Save button. This action saves the invoice in your Stripe account, ready for you to send to your customer. And there you have it, you've successfully created an invoice in Stripe with USD currency. You can now send it to your client directly through Stripe or download a PDF copy to email manually. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful for your invoicing needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.